Hello, so it's currently Saturday. I didn't get much work done yesterday because I was basically out all day. I had assembly in the morning and then I stayed till the afternoon for a UPAL's panel interview. So didn't get much work done. I was supposed to clear at least one lecture, but I didn't end up doing any of that with Anki. So today I'm going to work on getting that done. My goal is to at least clear 2 lectures. That's a decent goal, I think. I think like my issue with setting goals is that I keep on setting unrealistic goals because I feel like I'm running out of time, and in reality what I really need to do is just cut down on the things that I deem essential to the core basic essentials so that I don't feel super unprepared for exams. So I'm working on that. I think I still have enough time though because I have around 6 weeks until exams, which is the first week of December, so yes, that's what I'm going to work on. But before all of that, I need to blow dry my hair because I finished exercising this morning and I took a shower, and afterwards I'll get straight to work. I also got myself some brownies, which makes me really happy. So brownies are going to keep me company as I start studying. So I managed to finish making 2 lectures worth of Anki cards, so I'm very happy and I'm very proud of myself. And I cooked lunch for myself, so this is what I'm going to be eating today. Everything was super fast because I pre-washed vegetables, so I took a break between doing my first lecture of Anki cards. So I made cards, and then I washed vegetables, and then I made my second set of cards, and then I also steamed some fish, and then I have some rice. So that's gonna be lunch, and I'll probably be watching some YouTube. I don't know, I'll see what I'll be doing to keep myself company. Alright, so did not manage to nap after eating lunch, but that's okay. I'm at TKO now because I have to tutor at 4, so it's around 3:45 right now. Heading over to the person I tutor, and afterwards I'll be heading back home for dinner. Hopefully we'll get a bit more studying done. I'm aiming to finish doing all my Anki reviews for today, and I'm done with making new cards for lectures, so that's about it. So yes, I'll see you in a bit. This place has interesting cakes, and I kind of want to try one. Just a thought. Okay, so I got my AirPods in the mail today. So I am going to open it up and see how they look. Okay, so these are my AirPods. I got a tiger emoji on it. So ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try the different sizes. I feel like I might need an X small instead of a small. I think this is this current size is the small. So they come with a set of like changeable ear sizes. So there's like the X small, small, and then this should be the large. Okay, so this is probably the medium. Yes, this is probably medium. I don't think medium's gonna work for me, so I'm gonna try this, see how it goes. So this is the right ear. Medium is okay. Maybe I'll try the medium, and I'm gonna link it to my computer. I put in the AirPods. They're cool, but I will have to test them out for a couple of weeks before I decide whether or not they're really worth it. So far, they're nice though. I can really feel the noise cancellation, and audio quality is also good. I will have to test how the audio is with calls. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I will be making a video in the future about my personal first impressions on the product and a overall kind of review, along with whether or not it's worth it for students. So stay tuned for that, subscribe, and give this video a like if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!